Alright folks, this is going to be a how-to on to replace your trunk hatch shocks or struts, whatever people want to call them. These went bad just a while back and I'm just now getting to do this. Anyway, you take a screwdriver, flathead, pull that pin out. Same thing on the other end. Just like that. And I guess you gotta pry this off. Just like that. Now I've got this held up by a shovel on the other end. Push that on. Alright, I finally replaced that one. You have to actually push up on the lift gate a little bit because you can't compress these things. So that was a bit of a chore, but got that one done. Now we're going to go over here to the other side and do the same thing. I've got the side over here braced up with this shovel. So we'll come down here. I'm going to undo this bottom one. Just like that, with the flathead. And the top the same way. Just like that. And take the new one. Put that on there first. Gotta twist it around just a little bit. Right there. Now I'm going to lift up. Shovel's probably going to fall out. Make a loud noise. There we go. So that is that. Let's see what happens. And she shuts. And comes up by itself. Alright folks. Hope that helps y'all out. If you have to do this, it ain't too awful bad. And these struts were bought from Amazon, the match for this vehicle. So hope y'all can use this to your advantage. Saves you a lot of money. Y'all have a good one.